Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is going to be on this lime green festive look. I created this look to go to a BH Cosmetics event and you guys went crazy and asked for a tutorial on it, so I decided to make one for you guys. So let's just jump right into the video. The first thing I'm going to be doing is priming my face, and I'm just going to be using the new Farsali Skintune primer. I'm also going to be mixing that with the Farsali Unicorn Tears, and this is just going to make our pores literally disappear and keep our face super hydrated and prepared for foundation. Now I'm just going to be massaging and mixing those two products together all over my face. Now that our face is moisturized and primed, I'm going to be going in with foundation. The one I'm going to be using today is from Wonder Beauty and is their Flash Focus Hydrating Foundation Stick, and this is in the shade Medium. And I'm just applying that all over my face, and I'm going to first be blending that out with a stippling brush, and then of course you guys know I'm going to go over that with my beauty blender. I really do love the consistency of this foundation. It has a lot of coverage, but it's also very hydrating, and it doesn't feel like you're wearing a layer of product all over your face. Next up is concealer, and this one is from Tarte. This is their Shape Tape, and this is in the shade Light Medium Honey. Now I'm just going back in with my beauty blender to get this concealer blended. To set my face, I'm going to be using Too Faced Peach Perfect setting powder. This powder is literally one of my favorite setting powders ever. It just gives you a blur effect, like literally like a smoothing filter. Now it's time for eyeshadow. I'm going to be using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics, and I'm first going to be going into this yellow matte shade using a large blending brush, and I'm just going to be applying that on the outer V and into the crease and just making this our transition shade. Now I'm taking a medium-sized blending brush and I'm going into this lime green eyeshadow color just to get this outer V and crease to look a little bit more bright and a little bit more intense. To really deepen that crease and outer V up, I'm just going to be taking a smaller size blending brush and going into this green eyeshadow, and I'm literally following the same steps. I'm just placing that on the crease and blending it out towards the outer V and also on the lower lash line. Taking a little bit of my Tarte concealer and a flat brush, I'm just going to create a halfway cut crease, but not taking it past the outer V. And then I'm going to be taking my setting powder from Too Faced and a flat brush, and I'm just going to be setting that concealer. Now I'm just going back in with my blending brush without adding any product to it, just to make sure that there are no harsh lines. Next up, I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil Rio Edition palette, and I'm just going to be using that highlighting shade on the bottom, and I'm going to be highlighting my inner corners with that. Next, I'm going into this gold shimmer shade, and I'm taking the same pencil brush, and I'm just going to be highlighting my brow bone. Next up, I'm going to be taking Fenty Beauty's Flyliner in the shade Cause I'm Black, and I'm just going to be creating a wing eyeliner. I'm going to keep the inner part of the eye very thin, and as we get towards the outer V, I'm going to thicken that wing out. Now I'm just going in with some mascara, and for that I'm going to be using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm going to be applying tons of layers to both the top and bottom lashes. Now I'm just going in with some falsies, and these are the Lilly lashes in the style Miami. For blush, I'm going to be using Wonder Beauty's On The Glow Blush and Illuminator, and this is in the shade Berry Whisper. And I'm just going to be applying this with my fingers. I just find it easier to use this type of product that way. Next up is highlighter, and I'm going in with Farsali's Jelly Beam. I'm just going to be applying this on the high points of my face, like the cheekbones, a little bit on top of the brows, the bridge of the nose, and so on. Clearly I went too hard on this highlighter. I gotta chill out. For lipstick, I'm going to be using the lip kit from Kylie Cosmetics, and this one is their Bare Lip Kit. And I'm just going in and lining my lips first and then applying some lipstick over that. You guys know I cannot leave my house without lip gloss, so I'm just going to be going in with Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss, and this one is in the shade Peach Tea. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial, and I really hope you guys like this look. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. Also, don't forget to comment down below and let me know any looks or any challenges that you guys might want to see next on this channel. And I'll see you guys on my next video.